Students, welcome to Birla International School. You are watching your school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 3rd for mathematics and we are going to solve worksheet 40. And the very first question is given. Rohan bought 4 kilogram 500 potatoes, 2 kilogram 600 tomatoes and 8 kilogram onions. Find the total weight of the vegetables bought. So to find total weight we have to add these quantities. These quantities are given in kilogram and gram. Okay students, so first of all potatoes 4 kilogram and 500 gram. Next tomatoes 2 kilogram and 600 gram, and the last is 8 kilogram onions, so 8 kilogram and 0 gram. Okay students, now add these numbers. Here 0, second digit also 0, 5 plus 6 11, so 1 here, 1 as carry. Now 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 8 15. So answer is 15 kilogram 100 gram is the total weight. Okay students, see the next question number second, and the question is one basket has 9 kilogram 250 gram mangoes and the second basket has 6 kilogram 460 gram watermelon. What is the total weight of the fruits in the two baskets? So you can see the fruits are given in kilogram and gram. So first of all kilogram and gram. Weight of mangoes 9 kilogram and 250 gram. Weight of watermelon 6 kilogram and 460 gram. Now add these two numbers. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 6 11, so 1 here, 1 as carry. Now 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 4 7, here 9 plus 6 15, so total weight is 15 kilogram 710 gram. Continue to see the next question number third, and the question is Gaurav bought some fruits and vegetables whose total weight is 9 kilogram 500 gram. If the weight of fruits is this, find the weight of vegetables. It means we have to subtract this quantity from the total quantity. The quantities are given in kilogram and gram. So 9 kilogram and 500 gram. The second quantity 4 kilogram and 650 gram. So start subtracting. 0 minus 0 you will get 0. 0 minus 5 not possible, so you have to borrow from this digit. This will be 4, here will be 10. Now 10 minus 5 you will get 5. 4 minus 6 not possible, so borrow from this digit. This will be 8, here will be 14. Now 14 minus 6 you will get 8. Last 8 minus 4 you will get 4. It means the weight of vegetables is 4 kilogram 850 gram. Continue. Next question is on Diwali, Kishan bought 16 kilogram sweets. He distributed 5 kilogram 200 gram to his friends, 4 kilogram 600 gram to his relatives. How much sweets are left with him? So total quantities were 16 kilogram, and these two quantities he has distributed. The remaining quantities we have to find out. So first of all we have to find out that how much quantity he has distributed. So he distributed 5 kilogram 200 gram, 5 kilogram and 200 gram, and 4 kilogram 600 gram. The total is 0 0, 2 plus 6 8, 5 plus 4 9. It means 9 kilogram and 800 gram he has distributed. Now we have to find the quantities left. Total quantities was 16 kilogram, 16 kilogram, and in gram 0 0 0. He distributed 9 kilogram and 800 gram. Now we can find the left quantity by subtracting 0 minus 0 0. Again 0 minus 0 0. 0 minus 8 not possible, so borrow from this digit. This will be 5. Here will be 10. Now 10 minus 8 you will get 2. 5 minus 9 not possible, so borrow from this digit. This will be 0, here will be 15. Now 15 minus 9 you will get 6, and this is 0. So the quantity left is 6 kilogram 200 gram. See the next question number 5th. The weight of one bag is 4 kilogram 200 gram more than the weight of the second bag. It means the weight of this bag, first bag, is more than the second bag. If the weight of the first bag is this, and find the weight of the second bag. So to find the weight of second bag, we have to subtract this weight from this weight. The weight is given in kilogram and gram. 9 kilogram and 350 gram. Here 4 kilogram and 200 gram. Now subtract these quantities. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. And 9 minus 4, 5. It means the weight of second bag is 5 kilogram 150 gram. See the last question of this worksheet, and the question is, a box full of bottles weight this. The weight of empty box is this. What is the weight of the bottles in the box? So to find the weight of bottles only, we have to subtract the weight of empty box from the total weight of box with bottles. This weight is given in kilogram and gram. So total weight is 10 kilogram and 275 gram. And the weight of empty box is 2 kilogram and 290 gram. So start subtracting. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 9, not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 1, here will be 17. Now 17 minus 9, you will get 8. 1 minus 2, not possible. So we have to borrow from this digit. But this is already 0. So borrow from this digit. This will be cancelled and here will be 9 and here will be 11. Now 11 minus 2, you will get 9. Here 9 minus 2, 7. So this is the weight of bottles only. Okay students, your worksheet 40th completed. Now you have to write down these solution in your answer sheet, and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet in the next video. Till then, have a good day.